Okay, so this is the old design. We had the water up here near the hitch, was not working out, and that's only two drums. I had no idea where I was going to put the other two drums, so I was thinking maybe one could go under here, but under the stairs here. Just wasn't working out too well, so we started from scratch. I'm just going to stick to the one axle because I already have it, and so we're not going to buy a second axle. We're just going to stick to one. These are rated for 3,500 pounds. Even if all four of these drums are full, that's still only about 1,800, and then the structure itself is going to be maybe 1,000. It's going to be pretty light, so overall we'll still be underweight, or maybe just right at the weight, but that's if all of these are full. I'm going to try to keep the supply side tanks, the freshwater tanks, full pretty frequently, but the gray and black water is going to be pretty much always empty. So we're really talking about roughly like 1,000 pounds back here, 900-ish, and then the weight of the structure. So, yep, this is what we're going with. I'm going to do the door on this side, and then the rest of the structure is going to be very similar to this, how we have the upper level and this corner staircase going up there. But yeah, that's the new design. Hopefully this is not too long to upload.